Hello again, guys. This is another video on how to add a payment method on Woocommerce, and this time we talk about the PayPal. It's almost exactly the same as the Stripe method we talked about, and what you need to do is have an account on Woocommerce, have your own store, and then go on extensions, go on all extensions, and when on this page you're gonna type in here PayPal, and the first thing that is going to pop out it's PayPal payments, and it's by WooCommerce. It's not a third-party extension, so click on it. You can free download it, and once it's downloaded you can go to settings and set up a PayPal payment on WooCommerce. I hope this video helped you. Throw us a subscribe for more useful tips.